Now we're going to do DXF layering. What is DXF layering? DXF layering is allowing us to set multiple cutting speeds for a part. So to do that, and why would we do that? Why is if we're cutting holes in a base plate, which was what we'll set up here, we're going to want our holes to cut a little bit slower so that way they can get a slightly better quality than our outside shape. So I've got a shape here selected of a base plate. I'll set the dimensions of 4 inches by 4 inches, width of 3.5 on our holes, 3.5, and then I'll set my hole diameter to 1/2 inch. Actually, I'll move these holes in just a hair more. There we go. So that looks good. I'm going to click Add to Nest. Now it's added to Nest. The whole part right now is all highlighted in black. The black means they're all cutting at the same speed. To set up the layering, we're going to go here on the right to this gear rack with the multicolors. Select that. What I like to do is select the first color below black. So we'll select red here. We're going to click Enable. We're going to select the process of cutting. We're going to set the speed. I know that the speed on a 65 amp plasma cutter for 1/4 inch is 90 inches a minute. So I'm going to set this at 50 inches a minute. So 50 inches a minute, make sure THC is on. Next thing we do is we go and select the cuts that we want to be at a slower pace. I can go ahead and close that. Now as we look at this part, our outside shape is highlighted in black and all of our holes are highlighted in red. So that means they're going to cut at a slower pace. Now we can hit the green check mark. Now we're at this screen. Under the charts, we've selected best quality, mild steel, 1/4 inch with a 65 amp consumable. These are the part numbers we need. Here's our recommended settings. Load, yes. Under the G code, we'll be able to see our different feed rates. So under here on line 6, we see the F50, which means that's going to cut at 50 inches a minute. As we scroll down through the G code, we're going to get to the shape, which starts right here, and it says F7605. 7605 is going to tell the controller to pull the information from this setting here under charts. Now that we have that set, let's set our starting location. So starting location is set. We're going to select our start position by clicking this bottom left portion of this square. And now we hit play. When I hit play, we're going to watch right here under this little infinity sign. This is our speedometer. This is showing you the current movement. When it's cutting the holes, this is going to read about 50. And then when it's cutting the outside shape, it's going to read about 90. Let's go ahead and hit play. And now our part is complete. And that's how we set up DXF layers. Thank you.